All right, YouTube, as you can see here, we are in the middle of this kitchen, which has already been put together. Something happened the other day with this other oven. It made a popping sound. Turns out it tripped the breaker. We went and checked all the wires, and one of the wing nuts were almost completely melted. Just kind of crumbled when we grabbed it. And when I say the wing nuts, I'm talking about a double oven. I'm sorry, the wire nuts. It's a double oven, and as you can see here, it's hardwired 220 right into the house. So you don't have the 220 plug; you just wire it directly in. And so one of those wire nuts were completely melted. So it's an easy, fix. It tripped the breaker, so you trip the breaker back, and I got all power on, and nothing was wrong with it. So we're stepping it up. We're going to KitchenAid, and this is a smart Wi-Fi, beautiful, beautiful double oven model with convection. You control everything right from your phone. So this is what we're installing right now. Just want to show you real quick how to do it. I mean, it's no different than wiring anything else. You got your power, you got your ground, all the wires got to match up. This here is obviously the wires that'll go right into the top cabinet. So once we lift this KitchenAid right up into place, then we can just tie these wires right in. As you can see, they'll match right up. So that's not gonna be tough at all. Put the wing nuts on and be done. When you're uninstalling the other oven, you wanna make sure that you just unscrew. There's only a few screws that you need to take out.
Make sure you turn the breaker off.
Oh yeah, you gotta have that breaker turned off first. And then the new ones going in, there's holes right here where it shows it's gonna just screw right in to the wall, so to your cabinet, so it won't be a problem at all. So stay tuned.
Okay.
Toughest part is just kind of maneuvering, all that wire, because obviously you got to get this, nut here.
That's, yeah.
Tight, and then so getting all this, fed back into that. I mean, tying the wires is not the toughest part, but because it's such a small and tight space, it's a little tough to work around. But a man here holding it down.
I finally got a compliment. Probably got some airplay.
Yeah, man. Yeah. What's the name of your company?
Which one, bro? Which one?
You got a couple of them.
Yeah. Depends on what day of the week it is. Who needs help? With this one here, Sable and Custom Tile and Fine Woodwork.
There you go.
LLC. Known in 3 states.
Known in 3 countries.
Oh, okay. I didn't want to exaggerate.
And that's what it should look like when it's done.
That's
Everything
right.
wrapped up nice, tight, and clean. And now we're going to slap the cover back on.